All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about crypto taxes for 2021. Should you do your crypto taxes? Yes. Should you try to hide your crypto gains? Absolutely not. And I can talk about that more a little bit later in the video. But let me say, a lot of people are confused when it comes to doing your cryptocurrency taxes. I'm going to show you an easy tool to make this easy. You probably can use it for free to be able to just kind of get an idea of what you may owe. This will work if you're trying to do your crypto taxes in the US, if you're trying to do your cryptocurrency taxes in Australia, or even your taxes for the UK. Many countries this will work for. Let me just say that we've enjoyed a lot of gains this year in the crypto space, and many of you know that I love earning passive income with cryptocurrency, not just trading cryptocurrency, but any platform, any way to be able to earn passive income, whether I'm staking cryptocurrency. I'm also in the NFT space as well. So I do a lot of things in crypto, right? I hold tokens for gaming website. I earn passive returns there. So all of this can get a little bit complex when it comes to actually doing your taxes. And unless you're keeping incredible spreadsheets, or even trading can be complicated unless you're tracking all of your transactions, or you're trusting that your broker is going to track those transactions for you. There's a lot of data to do your crypto taxes that you need to kind of sort through, be aware of, and keep track of. But I can tell you that it's far easier than you may realize, because the blockchain for the most part is viewable by anybody. Your crypto taxes, there's something called chain analytics, and this is what the government uses to look at your crypto taxes. This is what everybody uses to basically track down transactions. And chain analytics is nothing more than being able to use a program that can run through the blockchains and really look at all the different transactions. Well, there are several programs that can do this for you. There are several programs that can do this for you when it comes to helping you determine what your taxes or what taxes you owe. They can even go as far as to, give you the documents that you need for your respective countries. And it's simple. You literally just put in your info and they run the calculations for you, and they essentially tell you what your gains were, what your losses were, that sort of thing. And I'll kind of show you that here in this video. Let me just say this. I am not an accountant at all. I have, used a lot of accountants for a lot of different businesses over the years, but accounting can be very complex. It's not always black and white. So I always recommend that you at least have some sort of accounting professional or tax professional look over any paperwork, specifically your first or second year. The challenge with crypto is you've got to find someone who has a good background in cryptocurrency. But just giving them this report that I'm going to show you how you can print off can go a long ways to help them sort of look at everything, just to make certain that you've got your I's dotted and your T's crossed. Now, I want to say this. This is important. I don't recommend that you try to hide your cryptocurrency taxes. It is not that easy to hide. Is it possible? Yeah, it is possible. It's still possible. But it's not worth the risk unless you're living in some country like Venezuela where your government's falling apart. Literally, it's not worth the risk, ladies and gentlemen. So I do not encourage you to do anything illegal with your cryptocurrency at this point in time. If you, for some reason, think your government is a bad dictatorship, that would be a different story. But as far as I know, that's not what we're dealing with yet in most of the civilized world. So please don't try to save yourself a few $1,000s in taxes by doing something illegal that could get you in far more trouble than what it's actually worth. Now, if you like to earn crypto and you like to earn passive income with cryptocurrency, or you want to learn how you can earn some passive income with cryptocurrency, you can go down in the description, click on our Linktree link down there, subscribe to our Crypto Passive Profits newsletter, put your name, email address, and phone number, and you will get subscribed to our email list, which basically teaches you how you can earn passive income with cryptocurrency. It's also kind of a first notification list where I send out emails specifically to my email subscribers, and those many of those messages and some of those videos never ever make it here on YouTube. So please go down in the description and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. So how can you do your crypto taxes? It's very easy. Come over here to a website called Koinly. I do have a link for Koinly down in the description. It is an affiliate link. However, many of you can use Koinly for free just to kind of get an idea of how it works. You'll come here to say calculate my taxes. By the way, it's available in 20 countries. They say crypto tax reports in under 20 minutes. This is true. I have over 10,000, probably over 15,000 transactions on mine, and I ran this report yesterday, and it did it very, very quickly. So click on calculate my taxes. It's going to have you sign in. Just come here to create account. Let's see. We'll say Crypto Wealth. Email address, Real Crypto Wealth on YouTube at Gmail. Password, it can be whatever because I'm not actually going to use this. Okay. Send me news related to crypto taxes. You can choose to leave that on. Send me product updates and discounts. I do recommend this because right here they do Black Friday promotions and promotions throughout the year, so it's worth being aware of. So you can turn that off if you want, but I would leave this one on. Click create account. Okay. You're going to choose your country. Now, this is where you have to do a little bit of work, and it's not very hard. All of your wallets, specifically all of your wallets with KYC, like AML, anything that knows your identity, like you're foolish not to put this wallet up here. But I'm going to tell you all of your actual wallets that you have custody over, you're going to make certain that you include, plus all of your exchanges. So for here, like they've got Coinbase, and you can come here, you can go to exchanges. This will make the list searching a little bit easier. You have a Binance US account like I do, you would choose this. And then the wallet name, you can keep it Binance US. Create without data. You want to set up auto syncing. That's what you want to do. They're going to ask you for the APY key. You can get this inside of your Binance account. Your secret key, you'll set that up. Start from the beginning. Or you can do custom date and make it January 1st. But this is, when you do this for 2021, it's going to come in, it's going to do everything for the 21st, 2021 anyway. Ignore reported balances, okay. And then you can click secure import, and that will get that set up for you. And you're basically going to do that if you have a Coinbase account. You'll come here to Coinbase. Same thing. Set up auto syncing. And then just follow the instructions. You'll be redirected to Coinbase to grant read-only access to your account. This does not give us access to move your funds. If you only trade on Coinbase Pro, you will need to add that account separately. So just follow the directions. Now, once you get this set up, it is ridiculous. And by the way, they have so many different accounts. As you can see, there's pages of them. They have basically everything. Once you get this set up, there's literally a button that you'll hit. Let me see if I can get to it, if they'll let me get to it. There'll be a button where you can basically click sync, and it will run everything for you. And it will do it totally for free. Then you'll have your dashboard, and you'll be able to see this chart. It'll show you. And again, for most of you, this is going to be free because I think it's like 3,000 transactions or whatever. They don't charge you just to run reports. What they do charge you for is when you get ready to actually, this is a free plan. When you get ready to actually buy something, this is for your tax plan. So tax report for the US is included. If you need daily sync, most of you probably don't need that because you can log into the website and sync at any point in time. But I obviously had to get this plan over here. And last year you could actually see all of they would actually show you your report before you purchased it. Now this is like, you get everything for TurboTax. If you do your own taxes through TurboTax, you get the 89, 49, and Schedule D. Those are important. Comprehensive tax reports, unlimited revisions, unlimited wallets, email support, basic portfolio tracking. This is good stuff, and they'll let you pay with crypto as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, now I had to do this one right here. If you're new, you may only have 100 transactions. If you just bought a little bit of cryptocurrency, you're holding it, it's going to be very, very easy to do that report, to file that report. If you are, doing 3,000 or more transactions, you'll be over here. But you're going to be able to set it up. When you set this up, even before you print a report, it'll show you like some of your unrealized gains. So it can start to give you an idea about what you're going to have. If you know your tax bracket and you know what some of your gains are, it'll show you your unrealized gains. It will also show you some of the actual, like there'll be a whole list over here about, like how much you've made and that sort of thing. And that can give you some idea of what your tax liabilities are going to be. So I guess they took away some of the free options, but you can still get an idea of your tax liabilities using Koinly. And I recommend, whether you actually purchase Koinly for yourself or not, I recommend everyone to use the free plan so you can just get an idea of where you're at. Now, it's important. Listen, taxes aren't due until, whatever, April or whatever. But it's important that you have some idea of what you're working with now. So I would go ahead and get this set up for 2021 just so you have it. We're coming into the end of the year. That way you have it set up. You know what's going on. And if you, next year, it doesn't matter, by the way, when you go to file your taxes, this is important. This is your tax report for 2021. So you're going to be able to, oh, there you go. Just come to tax reports. This is still free. That's awesome. Okay, so you'll be able to still come here and be able to see, and notice it's just for January 1st to December 31st. So they're going to show you everything here. This is what I was trying to see. Some of these things here will show up on your dashboard to the right. So this is awesome. So you can still get an idea of how many trades you made, how many deposits, how many withdrawals. This is insanely simple. Like, it will take even someone like me who've got thousands of transactions. I don't have to track all of this at all. I just have to put in my wallets, set up my wallets. So like for Coinbase, for MetaMask, any of your wallets, Atomic wallets, you got, whatever wallets you have, you can go in here and add wallet. Let's say I got a MetaMask right there, MetaMask wallet. You got, does that work? Hardware wallet. There you go. Trezor. So just about any blockchain, just about any wallet, any exchange, most countries are able to use this. So hopefully you have found this helpful, ladies and gentlemen. If this video has been helpful to you, do me a favor and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Just remember, decentralized cryptocurrency equals freedom. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out.